Apart from piped natural gas being environmental friendly and there being an abundant source of energy, and also the increased safety, for us it was more of sustainability and a cost improvement initiative.
We opted for natural gas because it was available in this area, number one. And plus, if you look at the maintenance of machinery, especially a boiler using natural gas, it is far better and easier to maintain and less costly in that respect. So it looks after the machine basically in that way. And plus, I think the gigajoule output of natural gas is a lot better than that of like a coal.
Our core technology is spray drying, which we utilize to manufacture food ingredients. The key to our technology is instantaneous heat, which we are able to get from the utilization of gas. All the tower burners are gas driven, so this facilitates the process and reduces our conditioning time substantially. Other forms of energy would normally take 4 or 5 times longer than gas to condition the tower. So this is the utilization of gas is in fact a very cost-effective method for us to prepare the tower for spray drying.